I'm a voter of Nuvei constituency, and there was a Congress block meeting in Nuvei constituency. So basically, I was there part of the, as a voter and not as a ticket aspirator in Nuvei. Of course, Benauli I am for a ticket aspirator. But then you got to understand, it is not that this is a time, the voter talk and leader have to listen. And it's not the leader talk and voter who is deciding factor to listen. So he started, Mr. P. Chidambaram started saying, we'll give whoever want to say something, we'll give them 2 minutes. 2 minutes is not sufficient. You have to listen the public, what grievances they have. Now, last 10 years, BJP government in Goa. Well, prior to this, Congress was power. You got to understand, in 2005, I am the one who responsible to topple the government, BJP government and form a Congress government. There was a 2 years, 2005 to 2007. Okay, 2005 to 2007, Mr. Pratap Singh Rane was chief minister, and then simultaneously we got again elected in 2007 to 2012. Okay, we were NCP and Congress aligned, and we were like almost 23 members, and we formed a government. Okay, now you need to analyze what went wrong that point of time. From 23 number reduced to single digit 9 number. Why? That is more important, very important. And therefore, at that point of time, sitting MLA was Mr. Alex Sequeira, who lost against me almost 6,000 votes. And yet last 2017, he declared, that he's retired from politics. And today he's just moving around with some, quarters, saying that he's contesting election and my ticket is confirmed. So I just wanted to start with, now there are, on the stage, there are people dignity who are sitting down there. Basically, he talked about, the sincerity in Congress. One, he talk about the winnability. He talk about so many things. Defector, traitors. Now, those who are sitting down on the dais, they are the defectors. That's what I said. They are defectors. When I said they are defectors, everybody defected, including him, because he also left Congress and came back. So I told him, I joined first time Congress. So I'm not a defector. He said, don't name. I said, I did not mention anybody's name here. I said, you tell me if I mention anybody's name. I'm talking about myself. You got my point. So therefore, there was not really argument as such. But I have to say certain things where, when Mr. Rahulji came to Goa and he made very clear point saying there is no entry for defectors and traitors. Okay? That means those who are left Congress and joined BJP, they were defectors. And then like party like Goa Forward, NCP, who's been almost 4.5 years, doing honeymoon with the BJP, they are the traitors. So simple as that. My point is simple. I told them, when you have all the constituencies, 40 constituencies, you've been having a block committee meetings, and the active members been drive going on. Like example, me, I had almost 3,500 active members in Benauli. Okay, so my point is, when we are doing so much, we had a meeting, block meeting, we having the drive, members drive, but still you keep on talking about the alliance. Even though if the party who is talking about alliance, Congress is not talking about alliance. The party who want to sustain their political career, they are the one who talking about alliance. So my point is, I told them, why are you all talking for alliance? Stop. Like example, NCP having lone MLA, who's from Benauli constituency. Now when you talk about NCP, okay, I have to face my people, Benauli constituency people, when there's already talk is going, and I'm still campaigning, I'm still doing my membership drive. You agree with me? So I cannot go and tell everybody now what is going behind. Okay. Now, if you talk about the Goa Forward Party, Goa Forward Party today, they are asking alliance, okay, because they are thrown out from a BJP government. If they would have been BJP government today, they would not ask alliance, right? They're forced to ask alliance today because for him is survival. Tomorrow, any Congress candidate, we put Congress candidate, he lost, Congress maybe will lose. He will lose also, then go forward. And who will take the cake? BJP. Is that obvious? That he need to think. If he really think of, having a good government, 2022, he should realize, okay, and merge his party rather than talking about alliance. There need to be. I told them they need to be stopped that horse trading. Today they are blackmailing. They keep on giving a dates to dates. Okay, this is the final date. This is the last date. This is the final date. This is the last date to have an alliance. Otherwise, we'll go all out. See, this threat will be post-election also same thing. Today they are talking about sharing threat. Tomorrow they will talk post-election. They will talk of same threat. They are going to give because of they want to whatever they want, which portfolio they want. So therefore, I said, ask them to join. Ask them to merge the party. Ask them to join. Otherwise, resign and join the Congress if they want to. If they are talking about alliance. Otherwise, I said, we'll go, alone. So they might, he might don't like it. It is up to him. But this is what I felt as a voter, as a Congress member, and I am here for a unity and not to make a groupism in the Congress party. This is what I told them. You want me to grudge them? No, I'm the last person to do that. I talk facts here. I'm not here for. I am not to police for a ticket. Mickey won 4 times against Congress only, right? So it is for me, it's not a ticket. It is not about a ticket. It is for me, it is my state. State of affair is important for me. Okay? If I start, to do grudge them, it is going to seem like all these years they've been practicing. I'm not going to do that practice. You got my point? I am not there to do that. I want to show different example. This is what we want. This is what Goans want. This is what all the voters want. And not what national leaders tell. We have to know the pulse of the people, what they want. And that what we need, we know that. Therefore, I feel like this is what people want. The ticket is for me. Mickey is not for the ticket. Please let this should keep out from their mind. Because I talk truth, because I talk straight, I will be denied ticket because I talk straight and I talk fact. The talk which I am talking, it is for the benefit of the Congress, which is going to benefit for the state of Goa. See, it is not about the top brass coming and dictating terms to us. See, we people living in here, they come and go, the top brass. But we know the pulse of the people, what people want, and they need to know. Okay, when we tell them, this is what it is, this is what Goans want, they need to know. It's not we need to know. We know already. We know the pulse of the people, what people want. So they have to understand. There are few leaders, handful of leaders in Congress, who feeding them wrong information. Okay, they need to be stopped. I told them on many occasions, they need to stop because they have different ideas where it's not going to make something change in coming days. And therefore, I talk very straight and I don't need to grudge any leaders. I talk straight. In fact, today I met Mr. Gundurao and I told them whatever I need to tell. And I told them, see, I talk straight. I don't need to grudge anybody. Okay? I'm straight. Yes, yes, no, no. That's it. You like it, you don't like it, that's up to you. But this is what I am. Again, Congress start talking about alliance. I want to make point very clear. Let the Congress leaders know this. Only two parties who we are talking about here alliance. Now, NCP who've been doing honeymoon with BJP last almost the end of 10 years now. Okay, they never been in Congress. He was accusing the Congress. Okay, Churchill. Now, Goa Forward Party who've been thrown out from ruling. They are here today for alliance because they are thrown out. Okay, if they would have been there with BJP, they would not ask for alliance. Now, simple is that. Now today, our leaders made a statement that they have been talking to the Congress and Goa Forward. Okay, but need proper alignment. Now, that proper alignment. Okay, now need to both the side to know. The Congress and those parties who are asking for alliance, what is proper alignment? Okay, the proper alignment is to curtail the time. Okay, and if I can say no, or they need to be stopped talking about alliance. Now, since Mr. Gundurao coming back on coming Friday, I will wait and see. Again, if this talk, alliance talk is going on, then I have to decide. Okay, because I have to decide means why? First place, the NCP lone MLA from Benawali constituency. Okay, it is like we making unity, we making strong that constituency, Congress constituency, and then still the talk is alliance talk that people mentally get disturbed. The voter of Benawali constituency getting disturbed. Okay, so I will give them another 2 weeks time till end of November, and ask them stop talking about alliance. Okay, because people get disturbed, the voter getting disturbed.
Or
okay, and you don't even know which constituency they are asking. And every constituency, then you have we have an organization, Congress organization, all the organization getting disturbed. Okay, so it need to be very clear. Door is closed for alliance. I'm giving them another 2 weeks time. They should stop talking about alliance and making the people, the Karyakarta or workers
confused.
of Congress get disturbed or voter get disturbed. So they need to stop, because for me, I know in my constituency, Benawali constituency, people are the minute anything comes out of alliance comes on the paper, it is getting affected. People getting disturbed. They are asking me, you making a membership drive, you had a meeting, you having a meeting as a Congress candidate, and the talk is still going on. So it is like I'm building, they are breaking. So I am here another 2 weeks. Again, this after 2 weeks, same talk is going on. So then I have to say what I have to say. And I already told today also. This need to be stopped.
but little bit clarity, like what you will say.
See, you got to understand, I had my own party. Okay, I had seen that life. Okay, only the difference is I was having a regional force and they are national party. Okay, that doesn't make anything different to me. You got my point. That doesn't make any different to me. I have my own organization. I have people across Goa. So for me, not a problem at all. Not to happen anything worse. Okay, not to happen anything worse. Rather than taking this both the parties as alliance and getting effect for Congress, they should stop now. Let them go. Let them go, Congress and NCP, and let go forward, go what they want to do. So there's no problem. People also knows. People of Goa also knows where Goa forward party stand or NCP stand today. Okay, you tell me when Congress NCP asking seat sharing or alliance. You tell me a lone MLA, what organization does he have in Benauli, outside Benauli? Outside Benauli constituency, where else they have organization to ask alliance? So that means you are only asking one seat in Benauli. That is what it is. Let them prove they have you media people can verify where does this NCP having organization like Goa Forward Party. Go Forward asking 10 seats beside Fatorda and that who's going merry-go-round in TV constituency, Kiran Kandurkar asking another seat in Aldona. Okay, there are two present sitting MLAs. They are not in both the foot in one place. From one is from Sholi, another one from Saligaon. They don't know where to run. So when they know this, and everybody knows that they don't have their own MLA with him, okay, but still asking 10, they are bargaining, asking 10 seat, 8 seat. This is what it is. But they don't have organization. At least we Congress having organization, but still the talk is going on. So this talk, which talk is going on, that has to be stopped. So I'm just giving another 2 weeks time. Okay, this need to be stopped somewhere. When Mr. Rahul Gandhi ji said straight, there is no defectors and traitors, that door is closed. And they should not indulge again with the talking of alliance. That's it. I am for Goa. For me, Goa is a priority, then party. I will see that people who have vision for Goa, who want to safeguard Goa, and I am going to be the person who is in the party for Goa. That's it. I talk straight. I don't need to grudge these people. Why do I need to grudge? Let this message go very clear to all the leaders who think themselves what they are. See, I got democratically elected 4 times. Okay, by the people. Okay, so I'm not selected and appointed. I got 4 times elected. So I know the pulse of the people. I know the pulse of the voter. And therefore, what I feel, I'll tell them, you can't compare Tamil Nadu and Goa, please, or Kerala and Goa, or Karnataka in Goa. People are literated in Goa. They may be different caste, but they are literated, not illiterated people here. Please. So we have to understand the pulse of the people, what they want to do.
If you like the video, please like, share and subscribe.